Okay, first we're gonna start with this gingerbread one.
You ever eat something sweet and then your throat gets itchy?
What?
This is so big.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Amax, and welcome to my channel, Like What Amax. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. If you've already been here, you are truly amazing. So today, I baked some of my cinnamon rolls because I have a small business and my small business is baking cinnamon rolls. So I had to test out these new flavors that I'm doing. So I've made two flavors today. The first one is eggnog and the second one is gingerbread. And I haven't told my friends the flavors yet, but I'm not too sure if I should put a blindfold on them or just let them see it. I might just let them see it, it's whatever. But yeah, they're gonna try the new flavors for December and they're gonna give me their full honest review on it. And hopefully it's good because obviously, you know, it's me. You know what I'm saying? Like, my cinnamon rolls would be going crazy. But hope you guys stay tuned to the video and I'll see you guys soon.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Alright, you guys, look at who we got here. We've got Daniela and Humana. Say what's up, y'all.
Hi.
And today, you already know, I already told y'all the intro. They're trying my amazing cinnamon rolls, of course. So I'm gonna record them doing it, and yeah, that's powerful.
Okay, first we're gonna start with this gingerbread one. I'm so excited. Wait, I don't know if I should eat them.
Y'all can be brutally honest. Honestly, this is a test recipe, so don't
Just kidding. You better be joking.
Stop.
Just kidding.
like that. Sorry, that's my bad.
The cream cheese is it's cream cheesing.
It really, yeah, it's cream cheese.
Oh God, it's so good.
I'm just gonna take a bite.
It's like
Yeah, just take a bite. That's fork shit. Y'all might as well just.
it's not too sweet or not too light.
Yeah.
It's like really perfect. It's supposed to taste like the gingerbread, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like the whole cinnamon without tasting this part.
Yeah.
It tastes just like that shit. Like it tastes like you're eating a gingerbread.
This tastes different. Mm-hmm.
The
Did
bread?
you make it differently? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That's there's added molasses in it. I did put nutmeg, cloves, and ginger in there.
You can definitely taste the ginger for sure, but it's not like too overpowering.
Yeah.
Okay, next we're gonna try the eggnog one. Pretty presentation, 10 out of 10.
Period.
I always smell my food before I taste it, but it doesn't smell like, I don't know what eggnog, I've never tasted eggnog.
Yeah,
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like or smell like, but it doesn't smell terrible. This is so big.
As it should be.
Oh!
Yo. It's really sweet. Mm-hmm. Really sweet. Yeah. It made my throat itchy. You ever eat something sweet and then your throat gets itchy?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Isn't just me. It's good.
It might be just you.
I like it. Might be just I like it better than that. Better than that? Yeah. Okay. But I like this one. Okay. Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like terrible, but it's actually really good. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like for real.
Well, you're an unreliable taste tester then. It's like, I can't really explain. I don't like eggnog, so I don't.
Okay, have you tried this one?
Yeah, I've tried that one.
It literally tastes like a cinnamon roll.
No, there's definitely a difference. There's a big difference. There's definitely a difference.
I don't really like cinnamon, but it's like bearable. It's like not like overpowering. Like you do the right amount of everything.
Yeah. What would y'all say Which one do y'all like better out of gingerbread and eggnog?
I'm not finished.
I like eggnog better. I think the gingerbread it's just something.
Oh, she fucking that shit up.
Okay, maybe you should have gotten napkins.
I know, I should have got you.
Are those napkins right there?
It's good though. I like this one. Let me check. I'm gonna taste this one again. There definitely is a difference. I think I know what eggnog tastes like, and you can taste it. But that just tastes like.
Is you like the eggnog because of the frosting?
Or I think she likes the eggnog because
It's
it's
sweeter.
frosting.
Yeah, because of I think it's because of frosting, huh?
Is it different?
It's different bread too.
Oh yeah. I don't like the bread on that. I think that's what it is. My bad.
Wait, so did you put cream cheese with this?
Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think it's the bread.
All right, we are done for today. They gave an honest review, and this is gonna help me out, help my business be so successful. I want to thank you guys. You guys are amazing, and you know, y'all got something to say.
No, just
follow me on Instagram, her lash muse on Instagram.
support.
Okay. Come on.
Go ahead and support both of their businesses, Royalty Rose and Her Lash Muse. She does lashes in Portland, Oregon, so go ahead and follow her. And her brother's going crazy.
All right, I gotta let my brother in. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.